Hi everyone and welcome to this new fun video. In this week's video I'll be decorating some plates. Here are the plates, by the way. I bought them at a thrift store. I actually would have preferred if it was smooth, but this was the only plates they had that didn't have a print on them. I still need to wash them a bit because they are stained. But yeah, I have two plates here. Let's hope the ribbons aren't too annoying to work with. And I bought these ceramic markers, so I'll be using these today on the plates. Now a little bit about the design. I actually started off with a sketch in my sketchbook. This is a sketch I made and I was very impressed with the swan, and I also really like the dog. So I decided to use these sketches as an inspiration for my plates that I'm gonna paint on. Well, it's not paint, it's more like draw on. And then the next thing I did was drawing the two designs in Procreate. I drew like a circle and then the two different designs, but they match very well. They are different, but they are like a pair. Also, like a sort of disclaimer, I am very much inspired by the video that Radia published about how she decorated her plates. So I want to give her credit because a lot of the things I'll be doing in this video was inspired by her. I also bought like transfer paper because I saw it in her video. So definitely check out that video as well, but I'm pretty sure she's a lot more famous than I am. But I wanted to mention that that video inspired me a lot. So yeah, I made the designs in Procreate and then I sent them to my laptop, and the next step is to measure the plates and put the images in InDesign, but you can use other programs as well. But in InDesign I'll make it like the right size to print it out on my printer, and then I'll use the transfer paper. So let's measure the plates and then use my laptop and InDesign. So let's get started. So I have a tape measure here. Let's measure the radius of this plate. It is 23 centimeters. Yes, so let's go to InDesign now. So guys, I am now in InDesign and I placed the design on an A4 sheet of paper, but since the plate is bigger than an A4 size, I am gonna print it twice so that I can paste it together to form the right size. I also used 22.5 centimeters instead of 23. I don't know why. And here is the second design, so let's send it to my printer. Oh yeah, I have to reinstall my printer because I reinstalled my whole laptop, so I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, let's remove everything. I think I traced everything, but I'm really scared it failed somehow. So let's remove and see. Oh my god, it turned out so good. It turned out a lot better than I expected. Well, it's not perfect, but I can really see the guidelines. Here it is. It looks kind of good, I think. Yeah, you can really see the ripples here, which is a bit annoying, but I guess I'll be able to work with it. So I guess now it's time to start painting in everything. Woohoo! Hi guys, so I just painted or drew on the plates and I'm so happy with how it turned out. The only thing, the markers were kind of annoying sometimes. They work a bit like Posca markers, so you have to push and also shake the marker. But I think the purple kind of got clogged a little bit, so I had to clean it out. And yeah, for the rest, I do like the markers, but they were kind of hard to work with sometimes. And I think they're made to like do line art or something because they are kind of blobby. But overall, I'm very happy with the experience. I would really recommend you to do this as well because it's such a fun activity. Now I still have to wait about 4 hours until the plates are dry, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven, and then they'll technically be dishwasher safe, but I'll use these plates as like a display thing, so I don't think I'll actually use these to eat food off of. But yeah, let's wait now until the plates are dry and then I'm gonna put them in the oven. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, by the way, I removed my corset because I was scared a marker would explode or something and then my corset would be ruined, so I took it off. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and comment. Comment which of the plates you like the most to let me know. I think I do prefer the swan, and I think a lot of people will prefer it because I think the dog is a bit simple, but I think they match together very well. Also let me know in the comments what your plans are for the week or how your week has been, because I'm very curious and I always want to know what you guys are up to. And I'll see you in next week's video. Have a good day or night. Bye bye!